We like the community a lot. Our neighbors are all really great, so there's a great sense of community around us. We like that it had the pools and the fitness centers and the trail. We were interested in that school district as well, so it helped us make that decision, and we're really glad we made that.
The thing that we liked about building our own home was the size of the home, the add-ons, being able to choose.
I really liked visiting the house as it went, being able to see it as it goes, see the progress.
We worked with the sales manager who was really on top of it. She had all of our questions answered pretty quickly, sent it off to the teams that were able to help us, and it just really streamlined things and made it easier for us.
My parents live with us, so we had to find a floor plan that worked for us and our 2 kids, but also have room for them. They kind of have their own space. We have an upstairs and our own space. So far, everything's been really great. We think it's a beautiful home. Any little thing that has gone wrong, the warranty team has taken care of.
When we contacted them, they got to their vendor really quickly, got them out and finished it, with a really quick timeline. And the people that went out were also very kind and friendly. The overall process from beginning to end, from thinking about buying the home to all the way to moving into it, it was just enjoyable, and it was just a fun process for us.